In round 4, I'll make a series of statements to each school, and I want the contestants to tell me if the statement I read out to them is true or false. If they answer correctly, they will be awarded 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If they decline to answer or they are bailed out, another school can ring for their question. And if they answer correctly, same rules, 2 points if they are correct, a penalty point of 1 if the answer is incorrect. In this round, once again, I'll start with Presby Boys Secondary School, Legon. Ethene has 4 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds.
False.
Yes, it's false. Asanteman, chloroethene has 1 pi bond and 5 sigma bonds.
True.
Yes, it's true. Shama Senior High School, methanol has 1 pi bond and 3 sigma bonds. Yes. Into the microphone.
False.
No, it's true. Presec Legon. The centroid of a triangle is the center of a circle associated with the triangle.
False.
Yes, it's false. Asanteman, the orthocenter of a triangle is the center of a triangle associated with the triangle. Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Shama SHS, the circumcenter of a triangle is the center of a circle associated with the triangle. Yes. Joseph.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. Indicate whether the following are true or false about plant gravitropism. Plant gravitropism. Presby Boys. Plant shoots show positive gravitropism and roots show negative gravitropism.
False.
Yes, it's false. Asanteman, plant shoots and roots both show positive gravitropism. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Shama, plant shoots and roots both show negative gravitropism. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. A conductor lies next to, but does not touch a positive point charge. A conductor lies next to, but does not touch a positive point charge. Presec Legon. The net charge on the conductor is 0.
True.
No, it's false. Asanteman, the net charge on the conductor is uniformly distributed. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Shama SHS. The net charge on the conductor is negative. Yes. Yes, Joseph.
It's true.
No, it's false. Presec Legon, Br- has a higher polarizability than Cl minus?
True.
Yes, it's true. Asanteman, O2 minus has a higher polarizability than S2 minus. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Shama Senior High School, O2 minus has a higher polarizability than F minus. Yes, Joseph.
It's false.
No, it's true. Presec Legon, sine 137 degrees equals sine 43 degrees.
True. True.
Yes, it's true. Asanteman, cos 125 degrees equals cos 55 degrees. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
Yes, it's false. Shama SHS, tan 113 degrees equals tan 67 degrees. Yes.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Presec Legon, after the replication of a cell's DNA, there are twice as many centromeres as there are chromatids.
False.
Yes, it's false. Asanteman, cells that seldom divide spend most of their time in interphase. Nicholas.
True.
Yes, it's true. Shama SHS, the information needed by a cell to direct its activities and to determine its characteristics is contained in molecules of protein. Yes, Joseph.
It's true.
No, it's false. A preamble. Two objects moving towards each other undergo a head-on collision. Two objects moving towards each other undergo a head-on collision. Presec Legon, the speed of one object increases by the same amount the speed of the other object decreases.
False.
Yes, it's false. Asanteman, the linear momentum of one object increases by the same amount the linear momentum of the other object decreases. Yes, Nicholas.
False.
No, it's true. Shama Senior High School. The kinetic energy of one object increases by the same amount the kinetic energy of the other object decreases. Yes, Joseph.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. That brings us to the end of round 4. Okay, before we go on to round 5, I'd like to address this protest that has come again. So in the speed race, I asked find the possible values of x from the simultaneous equation x plus y equals 5 and y equals x squared minus 7. Presec gave me the answers, the x values, but also provided the corresponding y values. So there's a protest from a school that it is extraneous information. Initially, I said I'll accept it because the values were right. But the consultant insists that because they provided the Y values, which is extraneous information, that wasn't required. I should not accept that answer. That brings the scores at the end of round 4 to Shama Senior High School, 11 points. Asanteman Senior High School, 42 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, Legon, 48 points. Round 5. In this final round of the competition, I'll present with you 4 different riddles. And then I want you to solve for those riddles. I'd assist you to solve for them by giving you a series of clues. At any time whilst I'm reading the clues, if you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and allow you to answer. If your answer is correct on the first clue, you'd have 5 points. If it's on the second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points. However, if your answer is incorrect, you stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. In this riddle, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that scores 3 or 4 out of the riddles correctly. If you give 3 correct answers to the riddles, you earn 1,200 cedis from Goal. If you give all the answers correct, then you earn 1,600 cedis from Goal in the Goal Riddle Bonanza. Best wishes to all schools. Our first riddle. You will find me in mechanics. I am a vector quantity. I am a product. My rate of change is the driver of linear motion. I am definitely not impulse. Yes. Presec Legon.
Momentum.
That is correct. That came on the 5th clue. They have 3 points. Our next riddle. I am a simple device. I am more frequently used as an instrument than as a machine. My claim to fame is reported to have been an observation in a cathedral. I am composed of a mass suspended from a pivot. Yes, Asanteman.
Pendulum.
That's not correct. I'll continue. I am composed of a mass suspended from a pivot by means of a light, inextensible string or rod. The other simple thing about me is the type of motion. Yes, Shama Senior High School.
The simple pendulum.
That is correct. That came on the last clue, 3 points. Our next riddle. I am light, but store so much power. I am a very reactive element, and hence often stored under oil. I was first used in the first ever synthetic nuclear reaction. Yes, Shama Senior High School.
Thorium.
Repeat that.
Thorium.
No. So I was used in the first ever synthetic nuclear reaction. However, I am better known for my extensive use in rechargeable batteries. I am, yes, Presec.
Cesium.
Repeat that.
Cesium.
No. Asanteman, I am the lightest metal on the periodic table. Who am I? Oh, okay, you now ring your bell, yes.
Lithium.
That is correct. riddle. Our last riddle. I am an organ made of mesoderm cells. For many decades, I was often not considered an organ because of my thin and convoluted nature. Because I am formed during embryogenesis, I end up getting twisted and turned as the gut develops. I function as a complex organ which carries nutrients away from the intestine, while at the same time protecting it from infection. I surround all the organs. Presec.
Mesentery.
That is correct. That came on the last row. They have 3 points. That brings us to the end of round 5. With that score, Presbyterian Boys Secondary School Legon are winners of this competition and therefore qualify to the quarter-final stage of the National Championship of the 2022 NSMQ. Congratulations, Presec Legon.
They've qualified for the quarterfinals of the ongoing National Science and Maths Quiz. And at this point, they'll sing their anthem. Secondary school, on one rematch we tried to have a victory. To victory, to victory. A motor is a solid power propping us around. Illuminate, the must go men. We die, we shall see light. Illuminate, we must go men. For Christian training weekend, ensure solid foundation to take our places in the future of our country and share. For Christian training, ensure solid foundation to take our places in the future of our country. Oh, come along and join us. Oh, come along. Presec Legon has succeeded in painting a part of Ashanti region blue. They've qualified for the quarterfinals. Remember, they are the most decorated school. We'll be talking about the National Science and Maths Quiz, both at the regional level and the national level. At the regional level, they won the National Science and Maths Quiz regional championship back-to-back 3 times in a row. In the year 2020, in the year 2021, and in the year 2022 at the regional level. At the national level, they sit at the top of the NSMQ trophy table with 6 trophies. Let's speak to some of them here. Our former contestants, the two for join me. Join me. Tell me, what is the feeling like for Presec Legon? It was a really close contest. Did you expect that kind of competition from Asante Mancini High School?
Oh, to be honest, I didn't expect that, but whatever be the case, know that we have God, and we are serving this living God that we have. So whatever school comes our way, by the grace of God, we'll continue serving Him.
Okay. You'll be clashing with Accra Academy as the quarterfinals.
Yeah.
That's an interesting contest to look forward to.
Exactly.
We are looking forward to. What should we expect?
Just expect the best and the best from us, and God will crown our efforts and will come out victorious.
Thank you. I will be talking.
Make equilibrium. Next one. I am a product of an oxidation process. However, I am a product no one seems to like. This is because, yes, Silas?
Electrons.
No. This is because I am formed from material deterioration. I am the reason chromium is included in steel formation. I am reddish-brown in color. Yes, Jubilee.
Rust.
Yes, it's rust. Next one. am a natural phenomenon. I am a wave phenomenon. I represent dramatic demonstration of the principle of linear superposition of waves. I demonstrate the wave phenomenon whereby the whole can never, the whole can.
Diffraction.
Yes, go ahead.
Diffraction.
No, it's not. Whereby the whole can be greater than the sum of the parts. Okay. Yes.
Constructive interference.
Pardon?
Constructive interference.
Interference. Just
For you. I am the phenomenon responsible for iridescence of soap bubbles. So who am I? Yes, Alfred?
Refraction.
Oh, no. Okay, people. So you've seen those soap bubbles that have those nice colors, the iridescence? Okay, today we are going to learn what causes that. The phenomenon that causes that. So what is it? Yes, gentlemen, your hand was up. Pardon? Oh, why? Oh la la! Okay, I guess I have to keep this one. I should keep this one, right? Okay. The right answer, yes, it's a type of interference. Okay? You were close. It's a type of interference, but it is called thin film interference. Yay! We learned something today. Last one. I am a relation between two or more variables. I come in different forms. I may be direct. Yes, Alfred.
Variation.
You are right. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. And that's the end of the 5th round. Learn something new. All right, next one. I am a 4-digit number. My first digit is the sum of the roots of the equation x squared minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. My second digit is the product of the roots of the same equation. My third digit is the absolute difference of my first and second digits. The sum of my digits is a dozen. Yes. Alfred.
2,316.
Yes. I read the 5th clue, 3 points. And by the way, I hope now you know that it's possible to do calculations in riddles. It's possible. So riddles can be anything. All right. Next one. I am a physical interaction. Some theories ascribe an inverse square law to me. The best contemporary theory of me is founded on geometry. I am believed to be the principal interaction between large-scale objects. Yes. Alfred?
Gravitational interaction.
I'm not accepting that. Okay, yes?
Gravity.
Gravity. Fourth clue, 3 points. Last one. I am a type of tree. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 35 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 51 points. Kumasi High School, thank you for being here. This is the end of the road, and so we say goodbye to you. However, because we are in the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 480 Ghana cedis for your team. All the best to you. St. James Seminary Senior High School, thank you for being here. Today was not your day, and so we must say goodbye to you. All the best in everything you do. From the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 2,100 Ghana cedis. Best wishes. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School, congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. From the money zone, you are getting 3,060 Ghana cedis from Absa Bank. In addition to that, if your scores remain the highest of the day, you stand to win the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage, semifinals, is worth 5,000 Ghana cedis. So we'll see what happens at the end of the day. All right? Okay. But for me, the most important thing is that you have qualified to the grand finale. Yay! I look forward to seeing you there. All the best. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this semi-final contest. We have one more semi-final contest to go. And this one will feature St. Augustine's College, Adisadao College, and Opokuwari School. Please plan to be with us. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Goyle, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, GNPC, Dano Milk, Newmont Ghana, Academic City University College, Accra College of Medicine, Zipline, Studio HD, and YFM. My name is Elsie Kaufman, and this has been a Primetime production. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.
Was the end of the second contest of the semifinals, which saw St. James Seminary, Kumasi High, and Presec Legon finish that competition. And we do know that Presec Legon has, at the end of the day, has carried the day with some 51 points. And my colleague Maxwell Awagba is live at KNUST to bring us live reactions from that. Maxwell, take it away.
Past and present students of Presec Legon, spontaneous jubilation and praises to the Maker the grand finale, you know Presec College is there. We're going to have something similar to what happened in the 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz, where we had Presec College. We also had Presec and then Ketasco on that stage. This time there's no Ketasco. We're going to get the last school, the third school, later after 4 p.m. But the grand finale is set with 2 schools. Presec Legon, they have made it to the grand finale. Presec College made it earlier. Well, at the end of the contest, Presec Legon had 51 points. St. James Seminary SHS, 35 points. Kumasi High School, 8 points. The line in their anthem says, "Happy studios are we." Indeed, they've proved that on stage that they are studios, and now they are happy. They've qualified for the grand finale of the 2022 National Science and Maths Quiz. Let's speak to one of their trainers. Sir, tell us, you're in the grand finale now.
Yes.
Still, same message.
Yeah, so first of all, we want to appreciate God Almighty for granting us yet another victory. I told you that the God who brought us into the 1/8 also brought us into the quarterfinals, and we didn't come with a different God. We came with the same God. He's the God of victory, and he's the fountain of knowledge. We are hanging on him, and he's yet to disappoint us. He will never disappoint us. So I told you categorically that victory is ours. No matter what happens, at the end of the day, we'll go with the victory. We'll go with the victory. And God has done it again. It's a done deal. It's a done deal. It's a done deal.
It's never a fluke.
It's not a fluke.
It's a fluke. We are still serving a living God. We are still serving a living God. 4 consecutive finals. 4. And this year.
You see the feat. 4 consecutive finals. It's not a fluke. It's not trial luck. There's a God who is behind us. And that God is always with us. We're putting our maximum best, and he embraces us. The victory is ours.
It's not a fluke. Back to back, it's only for Presec.
Thank you.
It's only for this school. Back to back.
What should we expect in the grand finale?
Expect nothing but 7. Because we are always, and we are still serving a living God. So expect 7. And the glory of God.
You're clashing with Presec College in the grand finale. They denied you the chance to win the trophy last year.
As they said, full stop. That's all we can say. Prempeh said, Akoko Bremon Quine. You have the Quine Baba, near the Namnegu. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, that year? Which year?
No. Yeah, I got that year.
Which year?
2013.
2013. Tell me, you're in the grand finale now. What should we expect?
Charlie, we take go house. We take go house. It's not about bragging, no bragging, no shaming. We are that year. Presbyterian Boys International Science College of Higher Learning and Intellectual Brilliance. Madina Annex. Be that. Don't try me. Understand? Yeah, my name is Langabe. Thank you very much for the words.
Prempeh College is also in the grand finale. We're waiting for the third school.
Last year.
Is it time for revenge?
Last year, they do the same thing. This year, you should forget. Payback time. Better forget. Okay. This year, we know come to play. You understand?
Okay. Thank you. What are you?
No, I've been from Supreme Boy, but I'm here for Augusto and Adisco.
Augusto and Adisco. Okay. We'll be having I'll have a conversation with you shortly. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. Presec Legon, they are true to the grand finale. Remember that just as Prempeh College, they're saying that they want to win this trophy for the 6th time to be at par with Presec Legon. Presec Legon, they also want to extend their lead on the NSMQ trophy table. They want to win their 7th trophy. When that happens, it will solidify their bragging rights as the undisputed champions of the NSMQ. Already they are champions, but they want to solidify that bragging rights, and they tell us that would happen after their 7th trophy. Now they are in the grand finale. Prempeh College is also in the grand finale. In 2021, Prempeh College beat them to win the 2021 trophy. And they're telling us that this time is payback time. It is time for revenge.
Of the 2021 winning team from Prempeh College. Yes. Mr. Evansopol, nice to see you again, and thank you for bringing our trophy. Yes, thank you. Contestants, have you seen it? Have you seen it? That is the trophy. That is why we are here. That is why we work so hard. So let's finish hard, right? Yes. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider it carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you're right, 2 points. If you're incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement is available to the 2 remaining schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, the 2 full points. If not, there's a penalty, 1 point. All the best. Prempeh College. The term clone cannot be applied to offspring formed by sexual reproduction because DNA of only one parent is copied and passed on to the offspring. Yes, Eunice?
False.
You're right. clone cannot be applied to offspring formed by sexual reproduction because the offspring are formed at different times. Yes, Alfred?
False.
Yes. The term clone cannot be applied to offspring formed by sexual reproduction because DNA of parents and offspring are completely different. Yes, Prince?
False.
Yes. Palmitic acid is a major constituent of palm oil and is an unsaturated long-chain fatty acid. Yes, Eunice?
False.
Yes. Oleic acid is a major constituent of groundnut oil and is a monounsaturated fatty acid. Yes, Alfred?
True.
Yes. Lauric acid is the major fatty acid in coconut oil and is a saturated fatty acid. Prince?
True.
Yes. For the next set, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Two chords, A, B, and C, D, of a circle intersect at a point E inside the circle. That's the preamble. Again. Two chords, A, B, and C, D, of a circle intersect at a point E inside the circle. Now, Prempeh College, AB multiplied by EC is equal to CD multiplied by DE. Eunice?
False.
Yes. With the same preamble. AB multiplied by BE is equal to CD multiplied by CE. Yes, Tenkran.
False.
You are right. With the same preamble. AE multiplied by BE is equal to CE multiplied by DE. Prince?
True.
Yes. Next set, short preamble. Preamble to all schools. In the Millikan oil drop experiment, that's the preamble. I hope you got it. All right. Prempeh College. A bright light illuminates the region between the plate electrodes of the apparatus and charges the oil droplets by the photoelectric effect. Eunice?
False.
Yes. The same preamble. The motion of a charged oil droplet in the region between the plate electrodes of the apparatus can be controlled by varying the electric field between the electrodes and thereby obtain zero net force in the presence of gravity and air buoyancy. Yes, Alfred?
True.
Yes. With the same preamble. The radius of an oil droplet is determined by measuring its terminal velocity as it falls with zero potential difference across the plate electrodes of the apparatus and using Stokes' formula that relates aerodynamic drag to speed, air viscosity, and droplet radius. Prince?
False.
That's a true statement. It's a true statement. Prempeh College. A dihybrid cross of 9:3:3:1 ratio denotes that the alleles of two genes are interacting with each other. Yes, Eunice?
False.
Yes. A dihybrid cross of 9:3:3:1 ratio denotes that it is a multigenic inheritance. Alfred?
One gene, so maybe true.
Alfred?
True.
No. Hybrid cross of 9:3:3:1 ratio denotes that the alleles of two genes are segregating independently. Prince?
True.
Yes. Prempeh College. A catalyzed industrial chemical process will produce a greater amount of product than an uncatalyzed process. Yes, Eunice?
False.
You're right. A catalyzed industrial chemical process will lead to the use of less energy compared to an uncatalyzed process. Yes, Alfred?
True.
Yes. A catalyzed industrial chemical process will always lead to the production of less waste product from the reaction compared to an uncatalyzed process. Prince?
False.
Yes. Of course, all this along the lines of sustainable chemistry. All right. Prempeh College. A squared minus B squared is a factor of A raised to the power 6 minus B raised to the power 6. Yes, Eunice?
True.
Yes. A cubed plus B cubed is a factor of A raised to the power 6 minus B raised to the power 6. Tinkran?
True.
Yes. A squared minus B squared is a factor of A cubed minus B cubed. Prince?
False.
Yes. Last set of statements. Last set. And I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Preamble. Radiation from various beta emitters are studied using a Wilson cloud chamber with a suitably oriented uniform magnetic field in the observation region. Again. Radiation from various beta emitters are studied using a Wilson cloud chamber with a suitably oriented uniform magnetic field in the observation region. Prempeh College. The trails of beta particles are observed as straight tracks. Eunice?
True.
No. With the same preamble. The trails of both beta plus and beta minus particles are observed as circular tracks, but tracks for beta plus and beta minus particles curve in the opposite sense. Alfred?
True.
Yes. With the same preamble. Same preamble. Trails for beta plus and beta minus particles with the same energy have the same radius. Prince?
True.
Yes. And that's the end of the fourth round. 41 points. The contest will be decided in the 5th and final round. Round 5. In this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza. This is a reward from Goal for a school that solves 3 or 4 riddles. If you solve 3 riddles at this stage, it's worth 3,200 Ghana cedis. If you solve all 4 riddles, you will get 4,000 Ghana cedis for your team. Best wishes. So obviously in this round, round 5, we are going to be solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. For an opportunity to solve a riddle, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Prempeh College? Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Please, when you ring, your answer must be ready. I will not wait. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 3 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. 4 riddles in all. Let's begin. I am a type of ligament. I have been given different names depending on the organ to which I am attached. In the duodenum, I am known as the ligament of Treitz. In the eyeball, I am known as Lockwood's ligament. In the lens of the eye, I am known as, yes,
Suspensory ligament.
you are right. Points. 3 points. Next one. I am a 2-digit number. 1 digit is twice the other digit. The sum of my digits is a multiple of 3. Yes. Prince.
36.
No.
63.
Oh, yes. Next one. I make it rain. I am a metal halide commonly used. Yes. Go ahead, Abdul Wadud.
Silver chloride.
No. Did anyone else ring? No. Okay. I'm a metal halide commonly used in cloud seeding. Yes. Alfred?
Silver iodide.
You are right. Second clue, 4 points. finish the contest, please. Please allow us to finish the contest. Please. Last riddle. I am a natural phenomenon. My manifestations are legion. I create the starry spikes in images of the James Webb Space Telescope, the JWST. I brightly illuminate the very center of the geometric shadow of a circular disk. Were it not for me, no one would have heard of the Rayleigh criterion, nor would it have been invented. And you would hardly hear the quiz mistress at this moment, were it not for me. So who am I? Solve the riddle. You want to solve it? The right answer is diffraction. Diffraction. And that's the end of the fifth round. Has 41 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 50 points. Adisadel College, congratulations on making it into the grand finale. You are not leaving empty-handed. You have 3,200 Ghana cedis from the money zone. Third place, well done. Prempeh College, thank you for giving us such a great contest. Unfortunately, the back-to-back did not work out this time. But you did so well. From the money zone, Absa Bank is giving you 4,100 Ghana cedis. All the best. Second place, Secondary School. Congratulations on winning the contest. It was not easy, but you've done it. You did it. Well done. Okay, now all sorts of goodies for you. From Absa Bank, you are getting 5,000 Ghana cedis from the money zone. From Goyle, for the Riddle Bonanza, you are getting 3,200 Ghana cedis. And we also have the Airtel Tigo Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 10,000 Ghana cedis. But I'm sure all of this pales in comparison to being the 2022 National Science and Math Quiz Champion!